Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to use Face ID to install apps on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you try to use App Store and if you download apps or try to make a purchase from the App Store, and if you want to use your Face ID instead of the password, so how you can fix that? How you can set the Face ID for the password on your App Store purchase. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to go to general and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to general again, and here you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the software, and it is showing if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update to the latest software. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to Face ID and passcode. Before this, you have to make sure that your Face ID is working properly or not, so which means you have to simply check whether your Face ID is not in error condition. So you have to make sure that after that you have to make sure that you have done all this toggle. So if this toggle is turned off, then you have to simply turn all this toggle, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply try to open any kind of an app. For example, if you want to download an app, for example, here if I'm going to download an app, then it will ask Face ID, because I have recently turned on the feature for the Face ID to download apps from the App Store. So here you have to simply double click to install, and after that, as you can see, it has used my Face ID to install apps from the App Store. So in this way, you can simply use your Face ID instead of the password to download and install apps on the App Store without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.